Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial channel. Today we will be recreating Macau Medical Park healthcare logo used in Ireland and designed by the company Area. Let's jump into Illustrator. On the right hand side, you are looking at the one I remade. On the left hand side, you are looking at the original logo. Go ahead and make a new document. I like to use print, letter, landscape. You can use whatever you'd like. Go to File, Place, go to where you have your logo stored. Click on Place. You can resize it if you want. Click the letter S to activate your scale tool. Click Enter. I'll try 150 degrees. That looks pretty good. On your layers panel, lock it, rename the layer. Create a new layer on top of that, and we are going to get started. So first I'm going to zoom in to my original logo. I'm going to use my ellipse tool. I'm going to change the color. Make a circle roughly the same size as the original logo. (74 pixels by 74 pixels) seems to work out nicely. Now I'm going to switch the fill and the stroke. In my stroke panel, I'm going to set the stroke to the inside, and I'm going to give it a stroke of 13. Now using my line segment tool, I'm going to make a line from my anchor point of my circle down to roughly the same size as the original logo. So now I have my line and my circle. I'm going to disable the visibility of my original logo. Select all. Go to Object Expand. Object Expand. Hit Ctrl Y to activate your outline mode. Now I'm going to align my line to my circle. Now I'm going to make a copy of my circle, holding Shift and Alt. This copy I want to align to the opposite side. Toggle the visibility of my original logo. So now I have both of my circles and my line. We're going to get rid of this extra using the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and delete this part. Now you're going to select all, hit Ctrl A, go to your Pathfinder and click Unite. Select your orange shape, hit Ctrl C to copy, hit Ctrl F to paste in front. Hover over the corner, holding Shift, rotate 270 degrees. Hit Ctrl A to select all. Go to your Pathfinder, hit Unite. Now we have our logo, which is one shape. On your Properties panel, click on the Rotate and rotate it 25 degrees. So we have our logo completed. You can go ahead and recolor now. When you're ready, make sure you go to Object, Compound Path, Release, Object, Compound Path, Make. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please leave a like. Make sure you comment, subscribe. If you have any logos I can remake, please send me a message or comment it down below. As always, I hope you learned something new. and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.